The Xiaomi sub-brand Poco has launched its new budget-friendly phone under C series in India called Poco C81. Now, let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Poco C81 features a tall 6.9-inch HD Plus display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 800 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Uni SoC T7250 chipset paired with Mali G57 and P1 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 4GB by using internal storage, and it has 64GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 2TB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Poco C81 sports a dual camera setup on the rear that houses a 13-megapixel main camera, along with the unspecified secondary lens, and for selfies it has 8-megapixel camera under the water drop notch at the top center. The device comes backed by a massive 6,300 mAh battery with 15 watts charging support, and it runs on Android 16, based on HyperOS 3 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 171.56 by 79.47 by 8.15 millimeters, and it weighs around 208 grams. So now, let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Poco C81 has been priced in India at 10,999 Indian rupees, and it is said to go on sale in the country starting from April 27th. In elite black, sky blue, and sunset gold color options. So, what do you guys think of this Poco C81 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.